Supplement your income with the help of making money online. Lots of folks would love to generate income online from home. There is a myriad of options when it comes to earning money online. To avoid the bad apples, read the tips below. Try freelance writing as a form of online income. There are many websites out there that open up the doors to freelance writing, like Odesk and Elance. With both, you can apply for and bid on online jobs of all types. Many of them are writing focused. If you're a fast writer that composes quality pieces, you can do very well. Provide services to people on Fiverr. This is a site that allows people to get anything that they want from media design to promotions for a flat rate of $5. There is a $1 charge for each service that you sell, but if you do a high quantity, the profit can add up. When looking for opportunities to make money online, try the big name companies first. Amazon and eBay, for example, are trusted and have proven to work for millions of people. While it can be safe and lucrative to go with unknowns, the big companies have track records, tools and other ways of ensuring your success from the get-go. Design unique logos for some of the new startup sites on the web. This is a great way for you to show the talent that you have and also help someone out who is not artistically skilled. Negotiate the price with your client in advance before you provide your service. With the tips you have learned here, you now have useful information on how to find real work that can be done from the comfort of your home to bring in some extra spending money. It is actually possible to make a living by working online these days. Keep what you have learned here in mind, and you can join the growing group of people who are working online from the comfort of home. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.